Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and Boxing Day. Just wanted to showcase a silver round that I got given to me by my brother for Christmas. Now my brother and I decided that for every birthday and Christmas we're going to give each other a 1 ounce silver coin or round. Now we used to buy each other a bottle of whiskey and we used to spend around the £30 mark on the bottle of whiskey. So we decided we're spending similar amount of money, but it's something that's going to go up in value instead of just being drunk over a weekend. So this is the silver round he got me. It is a walk-in, lady walking at Liberty design. If I can focus, looks really cool. That's from Silvertown Mint. You can see you've got the eagle on the back. 1 ounce 99 fine silver. So really cool to add to the stack, and it's really a nice way of doing things because there's such a different variety. When we used to buy each other a bottle of whiskey every year, it used to be a random bottle, one we hadn't tried before, and now it's very similar because we're still buying a different piece of silver. We don't know what to expect, don't know what it's going to be. It won't necessarily be a piece that we would pick ourselves. So yeah, it's a cool, fun way of doing things. Let me know in the comment section below. I'll be interested to hear if anyone's else got given any silver or gold or any precious metal for Christmas. Let me know if you did. Let me know what you got. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day. I thought I'll just make the thumbnail a bit more exciting. And we'll put some 2023 Silver Britannias in there just to spruce it up a little bit.